If you're looking for a heating repair company in Fresno to get your system fixed fast, Marthedal Solar Air and Heating is the right company for you. We currently have 5-star average with 30 Google reviews to provide you quick and reliable service. If you're experiencing any of these common problems, it's best to have a technician visit your house for a free consult. These are the problems most commonly experienced. The system keeps cycling, no air is coming out at all, no warm air, there are cold and hot spots in your house, you have rising energy bills, loud noises are coming from the system, and the fan or blower continues running even after turned off. These problems listed are very common, and they arise from not having your system serviced or maintained often enough. Going into the heating months, we suggest that you have your heating system checked by a professional, especially before the cold season comes, so that you avoid emergency situations where you're left in the cold without a working system. Our company offers heating repair, heating service, heating installation, and all types of home comfort system solutions. So get the best heating system during the cold winter months. We offer lots of choices for all your heating needs. But don't hear it from us. Take a quick look at our customer reviews and they tell you that we take great care of our clients. Since 1976, we've had thousands of loyal customers who love our service. So before you start to use your heating system day in, day out, give us a call and let us maintain your system and make sure that you will last the winter months. Also, take advantage of our maintenance program and our rewards program.